What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. I own a laser engraving business and I run it out of my garage and I do it full time. And I've also added on embroidering because I do a bunch of patches, leather patches on hats, and people were asking for embroidering. So I got a Smart Stitch embroidery machine and it's been awesome. It's been worth the money, I will tell you that, hands down. Now today I'm going to make a video and I'm going to show you how to get these letters down here to come in a lot nicer. See how there's imperfections on like the F or the S and the fishing? See? Now watch this one. Look at that. Is it focusing? I can't see. There we go. See how this one's a lot better? So to show you some tricks that Smart Stitch walked me through a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys and show you what they did for me, and it'll help you on anything small. And I'm guessing you could do this for flats also. I just did it because I do a ton of hats, so I did it for the hats and it worked. So it should work for the flats also. Let's go. Now what you want to do is you're going to go into this file. We're going to go in and pick your design. I'm going to go here. When it goes to this page, down here on satin stitches, you want to make sure this is at 2, and you want to make sure that one's at 2. You can go all the way up to 3 on both of those, or even 1. Do whatever you prefer, but 2 is what I've been finding the most common and the easiest, and it's been working out the best. Easy as that. One more thing that I have been doing lately, and I can make a video. Let me know in the comment if you want to know. In the comments if you want to know. I got one of these. This is called the bobbin tester. Now this is a more expensive one. It was $122, I believe this one was, or 120, and it has paid for itself already. No joke. This has been a game changer. And then what else I did is I ordered more bobbins, and I'm going to show you why. So what I've been doing is now I've written it down what my tension is for bobbins and the top, what my machine likes, and then what I do is, let's see if it focuses. See that? I have it written on flat on there. I took my lasers and I just put flats on this one. So I know this one's for flats. It's set up for flats. So I'm going to make another one. So I have 2 just in case I drop it and hit the floor. Because that's the other thing. If they drop and hit the floor, they can get out of whack. Because if they fall on this spring part, then that can cause things to go wonky with it. So, and then for the hat one, I put hats on it, and I'm going to make 2 of them for that. So, if you want to see the video on that, let me know. This is just a short video, and I hope everything's working for you, and I hope this helps. I'm glad you got to see me again. Bye.